Alright, Tesla fam guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize your safety and security settings to basically make sure your ride is locked down and ready to roll, guys. So let's get started, okay? First things first, what you want to do is you want to tap on the controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen, okay? And what you want to do now, guys, is from here you want to select the safety and security option, okay? And this is where you can manage all your safety and security features. And now to secure your Tesla, you want to just scroll down to the alarm section. Here you can toggle the alarm system on or off, and the alarm will actually activate, if someone tries to break in or tamper with your car. Just toggle this on and make sure that it's on, it's on for maximum security, right? Next, guys, what I want to talk to you about is the Sentry mode. Okay, this is actually a game changer, guys, for security. It's a game changer. So with Sentry mode activated, what's going to happen is your Tesla's cameras will constantly monitor its surroundings when it's parked. And to enable it, you just want to toggle on the Sentry mode. Go to controls, go to Sentry mode, and just turn this on. And basically, guys, what's going to happen is you're going to get alerts if anything suspicious happens. And it's a great way to keep an eye on your car, guys. Then what you can do, guys, let's actually move on to the locking options, okay? So basically in the safety and security menu, again, what you want to do, guys, is you'll see the auto lock option. So you can enable it so that basically your Tesla locks itself automatically, guys. When you walk away, basically just keeping it secure. All you can also do is you can set up a pin to drive for an extra layer of protection. This requires a pin code before your Tesla can be driven, okay? And to actually, control access to your car, what you can also do, guys, is that you can set up driver profiles and a valet mode. So this is what you need to do, okay? So you can driver profiles basically store personalized settings for different drivers, while valet mode, what it does is it limits access to certain features for extra layer of security when you basically hand over your keys to someone else. And that's it, guys. You're now set to customize your Tesla safety and security settings. What I want you to do now is hit that link in the description, guys, to learn for ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you guys